Today, US Mobile launched brand new plans and features. US Mobile is one of my personal favorite carriers that offers service on the Verizon network, and today, their plans got even better. For the first time ever, US Mobile is offering a multi-line discount for their family plans. You can get 4 lines of unlimited all for as low as $110 per month. Not only that, the family plans continue to support perks too, such as Spotify Family, HBO Max, and PlayStation Plus. On top of the amazing family plan discounts, US Mobile also launched 2 additional plans. You can now get 2.5 gigs for just $15 per month and 10 gigs for $30 per month. And coming soon, we have advanced insights into your talk, text, and data usage, along with 5G access coming in the near future. In this video, I'm covering everything you need to know about US Mobile's brand new plans, prices, perks, and features, and how these new plans compare with the old ones. Let's get into it. US Mobile offers 2 types of plans to choose from. You have their custom plans and their unlimited plans. Let's start with the custom plans. Here you can choose the amount of minutes, texts, and megabytes of data you want each month with your service. One of my favorite options here is you can actually select unlimited minutes and texts for just $10 a month. And then if you'd like, you can add data to meet your needs. Or if you're interested, you can manually select the amount of minutes, text, and data you want, or you can even get a plan that just has cellular data. This is a great option if you'd like to use this plan in a phone that may be used as a hotspot, or perhaps you just need cellular data because you're using an app like Google Voice to manage your phone calls and text messages over a cellular data connection. All custom plans come with hotspot support and full-speed LTE data on either the Verizon or T-Mobile networks. Keep in mind, US Mobile offers service on 2 major networks. They use the Verizon network, which they call their Super LTE network, and the T-Mobile network, which they call their GSM LTE network. All plans are available on both networks, but there are a few differences. I'll be sure to mention them as they come up. Now, in terms of the custom plan prices, everything remains exactly the same. The only thing that's different is the cost of the top-ups. This is my personal US Mobile account. I'm working on a review of them right now, and you can choose to add top-ups for minutes, text, and data if you need more with your custom plan. What's nice is these top-ups will roll over to your next month of service if you have AutoPay enabled on your account. Because I've been signed up for US Mobile, I got insight into what the old top-up prices were and what the new ones are. So here are the differences. For minutes, you're looking at these for the old add-ons, and all of the add-ons got improved with the new pricing. So you're getting more minutes at better prices with the new rates. For text messages, it's the same kind of thing. These were the old rates, and here, these are the new rates. You can see there were great improvements that give you more texts at more affordable prices. And lastly, these are the data add-ons. You're now getting more data at better prices, and the options have been reduced. I really like these new options because I think it makes it simpler and more affordable to add additional minutes, text, or data to your plan. The last big change with US Mobile's custom plans is they no longer include international data roaming. Previously, you got 250 megabytes of international data roaming included for free with your plan, and now that is no longer the case. US Mobile still does offer international data options at affordable price points, but again, it's just no longer included with your plan. The other thing to know about international data roaming is it does require an eSIM compatible phone, and US Mobile has a full list of these on their website. That's what's changed with US Mobile's custom plans. Now let's go on to the unlimited plans, and these are really cool. So US Mobile continues to offer the same $40 unlimited plan. They're calling this the unlimited all option, but they introduced 2 new options. You have 2.5 gigs for $15 a month and 10 gigs for $30 a month. These options are affordable and really awesome to see, and I think they compete head to head with T-Mobile Connect's $15 2 gig plan and a lot of the other options out there. And what makes these particular plans so amazing is because they're this affordable and they use Verizon for coverage. For comparison, Verizon's prepaid plans start at $35 a month for 5 gigs and $45 a month for 15 gigs. So in my opinion, US Mobile's plans are a really great option. You can see you get full speed LTE data included for free with the plan, and if you'd like, you can choose to add hotspot support for $5 extra. With ludicrous speed data, you can stream video content at up to HD quality, and these plans also have the option to add the international add-ons that I mentioned before. Now, the final option US Mobile offers is what they're calling their Unlimited All plan. This starts at $40 a month for unlimited data at fast speeds up to 5 megabits per second. This plan also includes 10 gigs of international roaming data in up to 140 countries. If you're interested, you can increase the speed of the plan to ludicrous speeds for $5. This gives you full speed uncapped LTE data on the Verizon or T-Mobile networks. And if you'd like, you can add 10 gigs of high-speed hotspot data for $10 per month. So if you'd like full speed LTE data and hotspot support, you're looking at $50 a month. Now, what's amazing is the Unlimited All plan is now eligible for a family discount. Check this out. So with the unlimited plan, the first line is $40 a month, the second line gets a $10 discount, and the third and fourth lines get $20 discounts. For 4 lines of unlimited data on US Mobile, you're looking at just $110 per month. And on top of that, the unlimited plans come with perks. That's right, when you have 3 or 4 lines, you can choose perks from the available options. The way it works is when you have 3 lines, you can choose any one of these perks. And then if you add a 4th line, you can choose a second perk from a different category. For example, you could choose a perk from the music category, such as Spotify Family, and then you could choose a perk from the video category, such as Disney+, Hulu, and ESPN+. I've been told that the perks and the family discounts are eligible to be applied to your first month of service, as long as you're activating the correct number of lines. In my opinion, these discounts are awesome for US Mobile customers. Now, the one big thing to know about US Mobile's Unlimited All plan is it's not quite unlimited. If we scroll down here, you can see the Super LTE plan, which again uses the Verizon network for coverage, includes 50 gigabytes of high-speed data. And if you'd like to use the T-Mobile network, which US Mobile calls GSM LTE, that includes 15 gigs of LTE data. Now, you may be wondering why US Mobile is promoting their plan as unlimited when it does in fact include a set amount of high-speed data. Well, the truth is, according to a recent survey conducted by Reach Mobile, they found 85% of survey respondents use less than 10 gigs of data per month, yet 90% of them are paying more than $60 a month for their unlimited plans. So what's happening here is people want to sign up for an unlimited plan because they don't want to think about how much data they're using. They just want to be able to use their phone as they normally would and feel like they have unlimited access to whatever they choose. But in fact, they're not actually using or taking advantage of that much data. If the 85% of respondents that took this survey signed up for US Mobile's unlimited data plan, they wouldn't notice the difference. It would feel like a true unlimited data plan to them. And that's kind of the point. US Mobile is marketing their plan as unlimited because for most people, 85% of people, according to Reach Mobile's survey, it will feel like an unlimited plan. And not only that, it offers a really great value and a really great savings option. So for a lot of people, I would recommend US Mobile. I think it's a great option. They offer affordable prices and they include really incredible perks. But if you're someone who does need a true unlimited data plan, then you're better off signing up for a plan from Verizon themselves. And I have a great video where I break down everything that's new with the Verizon plans, which you can find right up there. That is US Mobile's new unlimited family plan and the included perks. Now, in terms of how this compares to what they offered before, previously, you could choose up to 3 perks, starting with 2 or more lines. You would basically select a perk from each of the tiers for a total of $25 in savings. Now, the included perks are only available when you have 3 or 4 lines, and you can only choose 2 of them. But that said, you can choose any 2 as long as they're from different categories. And if you were to say choose Spotify Family and HBO Max, that's an additional $30 of savings per month. And to clarify how the perks work, you sign up for US Mobile with 3 or 4 lines on the Unlimited All plan, and then you choose your perk and verify it with US Mobile. Then US Mobile will apply service credit to your account equal to the value of your perk. Basically, this is a clever way for US Mobile to market that they include a huge selection of perks to choose from, while still offering a great value on their service. Finally, the other changes that are new with US Mobile is they completely re-architect and rebuilt their customer support tools and experience. US Mobile shares this on a great Reddit post, which I'll leave linked in the video description if you're interested in checking it out. Basically, what happened here is they made support more conversational. There are different tools that try to integrate email support, web-based chat support, SMS support, and more under one platform. But it was possible for the different messages coming in from the same customer to get mixed up or detached from the conversation thread. So what US Mobile did is they scrapped all the different tools they were using for chat, email, and phone support, and they built their own integrated system for chat, email, and phone all in one place. The benefit to you is you can now have one conversation thread with US Mobile regardless of how you reach out to them. So if you're emailing them or you're sending them a text message, all of your conversations will come in under one conversation thread so you can continue right where you left off and not have to re-explain yourself to every new representative. US Mobile also built a new chat experience. And in fact, this is live on their website right now. They built an AI chatbot that will try to answer your questions as best they can and even offer suggestions for related topics. And if you need to speak to a human, that's an option too. So what's next for US Mobile? Well, they have 3 epic things on the horizon. The first one is usage insights. You're going to be able to get a detailed look at how many minutes, texts, and megabytes of data you're using each month so you can make a more informed decision about what plan is best suited for your needs. The second thing US Mobile is doing is they're taking this data and they're offering a brand new plan. They're calling this plan AutoPilot AI. It's a $25 a month plan that comes with unlimited talk, text, and 10 gigs of LTE data. The way this works is the AI system will look at your usage history and build a custom plan tailored to your needs at an affordable price. And finally, US Mobile is going 5G. They're going to be launching new 5G unlimited data plans soon, and we basically just have to wait to see when these become available. I think US Mobile was working really hard on building these new customer support tools, launching these new plans, and so the launch of 5G was delayed, but now we have new affordable plans to choose from, and that's pretty great. Either way, that's going to be it about US Mobile. You can actually see it pop up here on their website. You can get a free SIM kit using code FREESIM during your checkout process. And my grandparents are actually on US Mobile. It works for them, affordable prices and Verizon coverage. So I will leave their referral link down below. You get $10 off your bill, and my grandparents also get some credit, and they super appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please click the like button if you found it helpful. Subscribe for more videos like this one. And if you're wondering why I'm standing up for this video, it's because I just moved to Longmont, Colorado. Hello to anyone else in Colorado. And I literally do not have a chair right now. Everything else is still at home. So that's been it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.